The Xbox 360, Microsoft's last good game console. Unlike the PS3 or Wii, it's never been possible to really soft mod it. Until very recently, when ABadAvatar, the closest thing the 360 has to a soft mod, got an incredible upgrade. Simply put a few specific files onto a USB stick, and in just a few minutes you'll be loading backups faster than you can say Xbox Games Pass Ultimate. Xbox 360 has the best startup of any console. Look at that. Let's start by getting our flash drive taken care of. It's 64 gigabytes of pure data, but it's only got 40 free right now. Let's go ahead and format that up. Yes, I sure do want to remove all content. Can't perform action. Really? Really? You can't format it? That's so easy. You just... I'll have my Mac do it. What ABadAvatar is it basically hacks your Xbox without having to do any hardware shenanigans. Almost like a soft mod, except it's not persistent, so you have to re-trigger it every time you start. That used to be a big problem. It could take 12 hours to trigger. But this new one triggers in under 3 minutes. And with the new ABadAvatar, you can literally plug it in and it'll start instantly using a hacked system avatar. That means no more Rock Band Blitz. Ha! Alright, I've put on the entire ABadAvatar and ABadAvatar script. Let's start it up, and it should trigger the exploit as soon as we turn it on. What? Do we need a profile on here? Bilgatates. Perfect. How it was meant to be. Choose an avatar as a starting point. Oh, is this like making a me? Oh, except infinitely creepier. Yeah, I don't like any of these avatars. Oh, except for that guy. Yes, you will be the new Bilgatates. Oh yeah, Bill is excited to join the team. Welcome, Bill. Bye. Oh, there he is. He just escaped. He couldn't hide from me, Bill. Real quick, if you already subscribed, thank you so much. And if not, well, what are you waiting for? I make weekly videos, and I've always got new fun stuff coming. Wait, we can change the theme? Ew. Why would you ever want to change that? What is the day? I don't really like that either. How about night? Ooh, yeah, I do like that. We'll keep this one. I don't want to reformat the USB stick, because then I have to remake everything. Let's restart it a few more times. Bilgatates, what are you hiding? Yeah, it is not working. How about we just redo it with the old Rock Band Blitz hack, make sure that works first, and then I'll convert it over to ABadAvatar. So we should just be able to go over to Games, and there it is, Rock Band Blitz, and XEX menu. We'll use that once we get inside. So we just boot it up, harmonics, very cool. Rock Band Blitz, press A to start. I'd love to. Select your device, USB stick. Here we go. Come on, loading Rock Band Blitz videos. Oh, running exploit, look at that. Bad storage failure. Oh, we got the chain. Boom. Exe Unshackle has ran. All patches have now been applied. Regular JTAG RGH functionality should now be possible. This is not persistent. Great. And I'm going to head and dump my keys. So now we should be able to boot Aurora. Yeah, here we are. This is like the Homebrew launcher menu for the 360. No titles found. Yeah, I don't have anything on here yet. We have to go and set a few things up. First, though, I want to check how hot this Xbox gets. Unfortunately, I cannot read Celsius because America. Nothing looks like it's getting too hot. That's good. I took apart this Xbox a few months ago for a video. Check that out in the top right if you haven't yet. It was pretty cool. We're going to launch XEX menu. You know how Windows apps are launched from a .exe? On an Xbox, it's a .xex, which is kind of cool. This is XEX menu, and the tutorial says to do things here. And we're going to skip this. Let's dump our NAND, just in case we end up breaking the console. This should let us restore it. Alright, our NAND has been dumped. Took 25 seconds exactly. I've added some games to our USB stick. It's all Rock Band Blitz, all of it. And that's all it is. Oh, they're appearing now. Alright, we got Minecraft, and we got Minecraft Story Mode. Did you notice I'm a bit of a Minecraft fan? Alright, Xbox Live Arcade, Microsoft Studios, Mojang. Is it Mojang or Mojang? I used to say Mojang, but now I say Mojang. Let me know what you say in the comments. Let's start up a world. I've never played Minecraft Legacy Console. Alright, this looks good. There's a little bit of a tutorial world. What is that screen shake? What, every time I take a step, the screen, like, bobs. That's actually kind of cool. I like it. Alright, yep. Pretty much the same controls as the Switch version. Let's just explore around for a bit. Let's go ahead and climb up. We are going up to the Minecraft sign. Almost there. This is going to be a tough jump. Fortunately, I'm a parkour pro. Nice. This is such a nice world. Render distance isn't that far, but I mean, it's better than the Switch version, which is crazy for a 20-year-old console. Boom, we're dead. Lava looks weird in this version. Let's boot story mode. I've never played Minecraft story mode, but I've wanted to for a while. So now I'm going to. Fatal crash intercepted. Maybe we are not going to. I can press all the buttons. I've pressed every single button on here, and the menu is just completely frozen. I thought you intercepted it, but it looks like we have fatally crashed. So theoretically, this has ABadAvatar on it now, which is the closest thing to a soft mod. It should instantly launch XE Unshackle as soon as the console boots up. Let's try it out. Look at that, right next to Bilgatates, ABadAvatar. Yeah, it's booting up. There we go. That's crazy. That's basically a soft mod. This is insane. I never thought an Xbox 360 soft mod would happen. Maybe someday they'll figure out how to do it without a USB stick, but I mean, you have to use a USB stick on the PS3 and a SD card on the Wii anyway, so for all intents and purposes, this is a soft mod, and it's awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe. I make weekly videos, and I've always got fun stuff coming up soon. Check out my most recent video where I restored a chess computer from the 1980s.